What is up, guys? It's your average adventurer here today with Kayla. We are on the Withlacoochee, going to paddle and have some fun, so stay tuned. See ya. People really suck. Ugh. Freaking bottle. Doesn't even make sense. Beer bottle. People suck. Whoa. Just want to show you guys, it's a crappy day in Florida, but this spot on the river is just so freaking beautiful. So yeah, it's a free spot to camp right along the river. Oh, it's pretty flooded at the moment though, as you can see. You can see back there. Well, hopefully you can see it's all water. Normally that's not there. This river's really high at the moment. But yeah, super convenient right along the Withlacoochee. You guys should check it out if you're ever this way. All right, gonna get to cooking. See ya. All right, currently going on a little hike. We want to try and cook right on the river, but since it's so high right now, it's kind of pushed back to the tree line. So I'm looking for an opening. Oh, damn it. Not seeing much. Not looking good. We can eat on the river, but I would really like to actually cook. Yeah, actually, right here, this will do. Pretty sweet spot, actually. Now gotta get all the gear over here. All right, gonna do that, and then I'll get back with you guys. See you then. All right, gonna cook on the Keith titanium stuff again. Keith titanium stuff again. We really liked it last time. That jambalaya came out awesome, as you can see. Alright, gonna add a little olive oil. Okay, let's cut up the zucchini. Alright, so this is the meal. Yum, yum, yum. This is the view. We're gonna have ourselves some dinner, and then I'll get back to you. Alright, time for dishes. All right, just finished dinner, and now we are hiking back to the canoe and paddleboard, kayak and paddleboard. Let's see if I can get this in the water without tipping that off. Sweet. Alright, we're going to take a detour and head straight through here. Water's high enough that we might be able to make it through. See the massive spider with eggs. What? Like stuck? You good?
Babe, I'm stuck on something.
What?
I'm stuck.
Like stuck?
Like, I feel like I'm gonna fall over. Didn't you just go this way?
I don't know which way I went, babe.
We'll see.
Take it wide. Take it wide. All right, we made it through. Well, we're currently making it through. Kayla's figuring it out. How freaking beautiful. I know the sun's probably in your eyes. I'm sorry. It's so beautiful out here. Yeah, we're loving it. All right, I'm heading backwards, so I'm gonna start paddling again. All right, guys, we are back at the boat ramp. We had a good time. Short little trip, but I figured I'll throw it up for you guys until I can get a good video out next week. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.